Hello and welcome to Doses de Cultura. Today we bring you an extraordinary challenge. 50 astronomy questions without options designed to test your knowledge. Really? Don't worry if you get one wrong. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn something new. Are you ready? Shall we begin? What is the name of the explosion that gave birth to the universe? Big Bang? What is the approximate age of the universe? $13.8 billion years. What is the name of our galaxy? Milky Way? How many planets are there in the solar system? 8. Which planet in the solar system has the largest number of natural satellites? Saturn has 274 confirmed moons. Which planet has a great red spot? Jupiter. What is the universe's most abundant chemical element? Hydrogen. What color are the hottest stars? Blue. Who proposed the laws of planetary motion? Johannes Kepler. Who was the first to use a telescope to study the stars? Galileo Galilei. Where are most stars born? In nebula? What is the name of the big explosion at the end of a massive star's life? Supernova? Who formulated the law of universal gravitation? Isaac Newton? What is the largest moon in the entire solar system? Ganymede. What is the name of the boundary beyond which nothing can escape from a black hole? Event horizon? Which scientist theoretically predicted black holes? Albert Einstein? What is the process called by which the sun produces energy? Nuclear fusion. How long does it take for sunlight to reach the Earth? Eight minutes and 20 seconds. What is the most famous comet that visits us every 75 or 76 years? Halley's Comet. Which planet is considered Earth's twin because of its size? Venus. What is the name of the closest orbital point to the Sun? Perihelion? Which meteor shower is famous every August? The Perseids. What is the name of the imaginary line that the Sun follows in the sky? Ecliptic? Is the universe expanding or contracting? Expanding? Which arm of the Milky Way is the Sun located in? In the Orion arm? What is the closest star to us after the Sun? Proxima Centauri. Which planet is named after the Roman god of war? Mars? Which is the only planet where life has been confirmed? Earth? What is the movement of the Earth around the Sun called? Translation. How long does it take the Moon to complete one orbit around the Earth? "27.3 days." What is the closest spiral galaxy to ours? Andromeda? Who was the first human to travel into space? Yuri Gagarin. Who was the first man to walk on the Moon? Neil Armstrong. What was the name of the first artificial satellite? Sputnik 1. Which planet has the longest day in the solar system? Venus. Who proposed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. What eclipse occurs when the Earth comes between the Sun and the Moon? Lunar eclipse. What is the name of the time it takes for the Earth to rotate on its axis? Day? What is the name of the point in the Moon's orbit that is closest to the Earth? Perigee? What is the brightest star in the night sky? Sirius? What supermassive object is at the center of the Milky Way? A black hole? What do we call the planets that are outside our solar system? Exoplanets? What does a year measure? Light, distance, or time? Distance? What are the space rocks that hit the Earth's surface called? Meteorites. Between which two planets is the asteroid belt located? Subscribe to the channel. Mars, Jupiter. What is formed after the collapse of an extremely massive star? A black hole? What invisible force holds galaxies together? Gravity? Which planet is known as the morning star? Venus? What is the name of the space telescope that replaced Hubble in 2021? James Webb. Which planet has the fastest winds in the solar system? Neptune? And now it's time for the bonus question. What is the name of this nebula? Write your answer in the comments and let's see if you get it right. Did you want more? Click on any of the videos you see on the screen and keep learning with Dosis de Cultura.